everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are heading south down to Louisiana and we are cooking up my Creole shrimp mac and cheese. It's cheesy, spicy, yummy deliciousness. It's the perfect side dish, or you can even use it as a main dish. So I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Like I always say, let's get cooking. I've melted my butter and it is ready to roll. And we are going to sprinkle our flour over our melted butter and stir that all in. We are also going to put in our onion powder and our Dijon mustard and stir that in. And we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes, and then you'll notice it'll start getting thick. Slowly add our half and half. Continuing to whisk it so that it all gets blended. We're going to bring this back to a boil, reduce it and let it simmer for about 2 more minutes after it comes to a boil. All right, our cheese sauce is just starting to become a boil. Right here you can see it's boiling. We're going to turn the heat down and we're going to boil it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it gets nice and thick. Once it's thick, and that is thick, you remove it from the heat and you stir in all your cheese. So, all of my cheese is in here. We're going to pour it all in here until it's nice and melted. Like that. Okay, I'm going to take this back to the counter and we're going to mix it in with our noodles, add our shrimp and our topping, and I'll see you there in just a moment. Okay, so I have my dish that is sprayed with Pam, non-stick. My noodles are already ready. I prepared those according to the directions. And we're going to put those in the dish. Then we're going to take our cheese. And pour that on top of our noodles. We're going to stir that all up. Then we're going to take our shrimp and you can cut them up, you can leave them whole. I like to leave mine whole. These are cooked and cooled and they're seasoned with some Creole seasoning, homemade, and I'll include that recipe at the bottom after our video if you're curious about what I use. On top of this, we're going to put our topping. It's just what I do is it calls for seasoned breadcrumbs. So what I do is take my favorite croutons and I crush them. And then I have my seasoned breadcrumbs just like I like. So we're going to take melted butter. Then we're going to take a small bowl and we're going to put in our melted butter our croutons that are all crushed, and our cheese. We're gonna mix that up. Our topping, we're gonna put it all over the top of our noodles, and there we go. Then we're going to pop this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 400 preheated. Our mac and cheese is out of the oven. It smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit out. Just so that I can taste it. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. I just wanted to say that this is the 4th of July weekend, and I just want to wish everybody a really safe and happy weekend. Enjoy yourselves, take care of your pets, and I just want to also encourage you to please subscribe. If you like our videos and you enjoy them, just hit subscribe on the button when you're visiting us on our YouTube channel. It doesn't cost anything. We'd really appreciate it. Okay, now to the eating part. Okay. That's really yummy. It's got like that crunch from the breadcrumb topping. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us today here on the Happiest Cook as we are roaming around Louisiana. And we have one more video we're going to be doing. It'll be real fun. I think you'll enjoy it as we wrap up Louisiana on our next video. So, like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye!